Oh my gosh, you guys, I started reading the comments on the pizza recipe and realized I did not include the dough recipe in that, and I fully intended to. So I went and got my little recipe card. This is the second video of today, and it is going to be the dough recipe update. So this is what you do. For the pizza crust, the dough, you have, I can't believe this, sorry, 1 package of yeast, 1 cup of warm water. Write this down. 1 package of yeast, or a tablespoon, if you have buy it in bulk like I do. 1 cup of warm water, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 2½ cups of flour. So write those down. A package of yeast or a tablespoon, 1 cup of warm water, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 2½ cups of flour. Now I also add other herbs. Like if you want to add oregano or you want to add an Italian blend, I will mix that in. Not all the time, but sometimes. Sometimes I'll even add some Parmesan cheese, you know, the kind that's in the green jug. I'll add that in there. So you can add stuff. But then what you do is you dissolve the yeast in the water. And then once the yeast is dissolved, you don't have to let it proof or do anything. You just add everything else, kind of beat it up for about 20 strokes, you know, till it's nice, really well incorporated, and it's a dough. And then you just let it stand for 5 minutes. Then you pat it into the pan. Now you can do 2 with this recipe. You can do 2 small pizzas or 1 like I did in the video. Okay? And that's it. The pizza sauce, I have to watch my video to see if I put that in there. But this pizza sauce, the pizza sauce is 1 small can of the tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a ½ teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, or to taste. If you really like a lot of it or you don't like it, you just adjust that. But in general, it's a ½ teaspoon. And then salt and pepper to taste. Now, don't forget the sugar, because the sugar cuts the acidic flavor of the tomato. You know that. So pizza sauce is 1 small can of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a ½ teaspoon of oregano, or to taste, salt and pepper to taste. And all you do is mix that all together and you simmer it until it's hot. Once it's hot, you can put it on the pizza. So there's your dough and there's your sauce recipe. And so I'm going to put this video up right now so it catches up to the pizza video. Sorry, guys. Thanks, you know, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.